Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is a salsa verde which I made, and I have the video which I've already posted. The reason I made this salsa is because I'm going to make a chicken tortilla with salsa verde bake. And if you don't want to make it yourself, you can go ahead and buy it in the store. But I decided I wanted to try making it because I'm sure it'll taste a lot better than store-bought. So if you want to make it yourself, go and watch the video which I posted prior to this one. Now here, what we're going to do is a chicken tortilla in salsa verde. And we're going to need a rotisserie chicken. I already took apart, like I can't resist when I buy one of these rotisserie chicken. I have to eat a thigh. It's like, it never fails. We're also going to need tortillas. I think I'm going to use both. These soft one, the corn tortilla, and also going to use these corn tostadas. Okay, and these I think I'm going to sprinkle on the top once it's already baked. Oh, first of all, we need to set the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna dice the onion. Okay, so I chopped like half of the chicken, and now we're gonna get a bowl, this type of square bowl, and gonna spray it with butter. Spray butter. Okay, sprayed. Now we're gonna get the blender. What I got is the bullet, but it's the same thing. And I'm gonna put here, okay, I'm gonna measure this more or less, but it's 3/4 cup of sour cream. 3/4 cup, which we're going to eyeball it here. Okay, that's about right. And now we're going to put about 1 cup of the salsa verde. I would say that is about 1 cup. Next we're gonna add like 1/2 or 3/4 of the cilantro, the 2 bunches of cilantro. I'm gonna cut off the end of the stems, just so there won't be that many. Okay, so we're gonna stick that in here. Hopefully everything will blend good. You see? Okay, so I put about half of the cilantro. Maybe I'll put some more. Just gonna leave a little bit of the cilantro that I'm not gonna put. But almost the 2 bunches entirely. Okay, we'll see if this blends good. Now we're gonna have to take some of it out and then make another batch somehow. So this is the first time I make this recipe like usual, and I decided to make it tonight for dinner and to have you join me in making it. See how it comes out. That's too much cilantro. Let's take some of that out for now. Now we add more cilantro. Make sure that it's like chops them good and my blender doesn't get stuck. we're gonna add all the cilantro that I have here. I'm gonna try to take out most of the stems, and we're gonna put everything in there. Okay, so this should be good. Let me clean this because I made a big mess here. Big humongous mess of cilantro. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Nice, beautiful green. Now next, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. And salt. That should be good. And blend it again. All right. Okay, now we're going to put this up to the side. In this other bowl we have here, we're going to add the chicken. Then we're going to put the rest of the sauce in here. And the onions. We're going to mix together. Okay, and it calls for 1 cup of cheese, of the Monterey Jack cheese. 1 cup of that, which I'm going to eyeball that as well. Say about like that, and I'm gonna cut it in little pieces. Okay, now we mix it. So we mix it with all this other ingredient. Mix the cheese in there. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Really, really good. Okay, so now we're gonna use these corn tortillas, and we're gonna put them. Okay, so I put a layer of the tortillas at the bottom. After I put the sauce, I put a layer of the tortilla. I'm sorry, it did not record. And then I put that mixture of the chicken, the cheese, and the sauce that I made. I put a layer of that, and now we're going to, okay, so now we're going to put another layer of the tortilla. I'm going to put one like here, and the other one here. It's overlapping there a little bit. And then the corners we're going to, I cut one in half. And then I cut it in half again, and we're going to use it for here. Now we're going to put another layer of the chicken cheese mixture. Another mixture of that. Another layer of that. Now we're going to put another layer of the tortilla. And we cut the other one in half, and then we cut this one in half again, and I want to put something up here, but I don't know what to put up here. Maybe I'll put, I'm going to try to scrape whatever I have in here and just spread it here just to make a little bit of a decoration. Something nice.
What's that sound?
I don't say that. I don't know. Okay, I'm also gonna use these, and I'm gonna just brush them up. Give it a little bit of texture. And I'm gonna take some more cheese, Monterey Jack cheese. And just put it like that. Put it all over like this. Okay, and now we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. 20 minutes at 425. Let's do this because we want to eat. I put it at 425 for 20 minutes. Okay, I need to cover it with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil, cover it up. Okay, and in the oven it goes. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven, and here is the unveiling. Okay, how does that look? It doesn't look very appetizing, but I'm sure it is. I'm sure it's good. It would have been nice if the cheese would have. You know what? I'm gonna put it back in the oven and put it in broil for a few seconds just so the cheese gets a little bit of color without the foil. Oh, it smells delicious. That it does. All right, and broil and go. I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
5 more minutes?
No, probably less. Let's see. I just need to keep an eye on it. As soon as I see the cheese browning, take it right out. Okay, now it looks different. I put it in the broil. After I took off the aluminum foil, I put it back in the oven, broil for 5 minutes. And look how beautiful it turned out. Okay, now we're gonna cut it and we're gonna taste it, and I'm sure it's gonna be good. So we'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And I have my taster here today, Ivan, which he's gonna taste it, and he's gonna let us know exactly how good it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, it smells delicious. The cilantro sauce. Man, really smells good. Look at that. And it looks delicious. Okay, Ivan is gonna do the honor of tasting it for us. Well, I'm gonna taste it too, but he's hold on.
You got a fork?
Yeah, I'll get you the fork. Your favorite fork. Okay, this is Ivan, my son. It's hot, Ivan.
Might be hot.
It's very, very hot. Just make sure little by little, blow on it, and make sure that you don't burn yourself. Boy, my
Moment of truth.
My mouth is watering already. Careful.
Wow, really good.
Is it really good?
Cheesy.
Is it cheesy? Yeah.
That's good.
And cilantro-y, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that is...
Delicious.
Yeah. So that is the tor- um, tortilla chicken salsa verde bake. That's what I'm calling it. I didn't find the name. But when I took a screenshot of the recipe that I got from Google, I took a screenshot of it on my phone, but I didn't get
It's kind of like an enchilada, right?
yeah,
With salsa verde.
yeah. And I didn't get the name of it, but that's what I'm calling it.
Salsa verde bake, right?
Salsa verde chicken. Chicken salsa verde tortilla bake. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Okay, so hope you
Cheers.
enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to watch my other video and subscribe if you haven't done so. I would really appreciate it.
Hit the like button, thumbs up.
Yeah, the like button, thumbs up, and may God bless you and
And
keep
stay
you
tuned for more videos.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, and also another thing, watch the video for the salsa verde, okay, which is prior to this. Thank you for watching.
Whoa.
Good night.
Casi rompo la silla.